Somebody ran away saying fast as I can. I got to go, I got to go. Once upon a time we fell apart. You're holding in your hands the two halves of my heart. Oh,
I am the captain and head programmer of the first team here in Lapeer, and right now we are at Kettering University. It's basically a mix of a sporting team and like mathletes, where you spend your waking hours and your sleeping hours, I have dreams about robotics all the time, thinking about your robot and how you can better it. It's something that you think about all the time, and it uses your intellect. And contrary to popular belief, you don't actually need to be a calculus student to be involved. You do have fun when you're learning. It does look like everybody's having a lot of fun, but they're not sitting in class being told lectures. They're out and getting their experience, and all of these people built their robot and put a hand on their robot and put something together, screwed it in a bolt, anything, and it just fills you with this huge sense of satisfaction about that. And it's a way of learning that makes it fun. Like, I love going to robotics every single day, and it's something that even after I graduate, I'm going to be involved in no matter what. Basically, the reason why I got into robotics was because I was basically dragged into it kicking and screaming by my best friend at the time, because she didn't want to be the only 8th grader on the team. And I always knew that I wanted to be an engineer and I wanted to do stuff, but I wasn't sure that robotics was it for me. And immediately when I got into it, I was amazed and I was just completely hooked. I am going to go to either Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute in New York or Carnegie Mellon University in Pittsburgh. Carnegie Mellon is one of the best software engineering colleges in the country. I'm going to major in computer science and math. And originally, when I first joined, I wanted to be a mechanical engineer. And then I got into programming 2 years later and completely fell in love with it. And so, I mean, it basically solidifies the fact that no matter what you do on a robotics team, you're never stuck in a spot. You can always move from mechanical to electrical, from electrical to programming, and back and forth and back and forth. So
I got interested in robotics because when we went in 8th grade, we went to East for a tour of the school, and the robotics team was in the library, and their robot, which was the year in 2011, the robot was so amazing. I really, really liked it. It was one of those things that I saw it and I'm like, I want to do that. I want to be able to participate and be a part of that creation of a robot. What they do is amazing, and how fast you have to build it even amazed me even more. What I'm learning now is I've learned a lot of programming, and actually I've learned a lot of HTML, which is website developing. And I'm also learning a lot of mechanical and how to build proper things, how to design them properly, and put them into use. I'm planning on either going to Michigan State University, College of Engineering, or Kettering University to get a major in electrical engineering.